Welcome. In this video, we will discuss using roll call attendance, an attendance tracking tool built into your Bruin Learn course. If you examine your course navigation menu and find that attendance is not an available link, you will need to activate it. To do this, scroll to the bottom of the course navigation menu and click Settings, then select the third tab for navigation. Scroll down to the disabled menu items. Find Attendance and select the Options menu or three dots and click Enable. Once you select Save at the bottom, you will see the page update and the attendance link will now be available. Select Attendance to open the Roll Call Attendance tool. The Roll Call Attendance dashboard will allow you to view your entire roster. You can choose to focus the view on specific sections by using the drop-down menu located at the top left. On the top right of the screen, you should see today's date. You can use the arrows to shift forward or backward, or the calendar icon to select a specific date. In the top right, there are two roster views. The first is the list view. This allows you to view the full roster of your class or individual sections in alphabetical order. The other option is the class view. Using this view allows you to organize your roster by seating chart. From either view, you can take attendance for your class. Attendance must be taken manually for each class meeting. You can take attendance by using the Mark All Present and Unmark All buttons as needed. You can also take attendance individually by selecting the icon of the circle with a slash through it next to each student's image. If you select the icon, it will change to a green check mark indicating that the student was present. If you select it again, it will change to a red X, marking them absent. If you select it a third time, it will change to a yellow-orange clock, indicating that they were late. If you select it a fourth time, it will revert to the gray icon, indicating no attendance has been recorded. If you select More next to a student's name in the list view, or just their name in the class view, a window will expand with information on that student's attendance. From there, you can add badges if you choose to create and employ them. You can also take or edit attendance from this view. By selecting the gear in the upper right corner, you can expand the Roll Call Settings menu for your course. If you select Roll Call Settings, a window will appear that allows you to ignore attendance grades for the final grade. You can also choose to allow lateness to affect a certain percentage of a student's presence, so they do not receive full credit for a class meeting if they are marked late. If you return to the settings by selecting the gear and then choose the attendance report, you can create reports with attendance data. You can filter by date ranges or specific students by inputting their SISID or their 9-digit UCLA UID. Designate where to send the report and click Run. The report will be shared as an email with a link that will expire after 6 hours. Interacting with the link will download the report as a CSV file. The first time instructors use roll call attendance for a class meeting, an assignment is created in the gradebook. You can view this assignment on the Assignments page or in the gradebook. Attendance scores in the gradebook update every time attendance is recorded in roll call attendance. We caution against making any changes to the roll call attendance assignment itself. If you want to adjust the effect attendance has on your gradebook, you can do so by employing a weighted gradebook. To do this, select the Options button or three vertical dots next to the plus assignment button, and then Assignment Groups Weight. Select the option for weighting final grades based on assignment groups, and then assign a percentage to each assignment group and save. This concludes the video on using roll call attendance in Bruin Learn to record attendance. If you require additional assistance, please contact Bruin Learn-support at it.ucla.edu.